Absolutely not. Oh yeah.
That's golden.
Don't laugh. Get your rods in.
Just get your rod in.
Wait, why? Oh, what did I pick up? Dad, I need your help.
Okay. That's just trash. We'll get it off there, buddy.
Ew, that's gross.
No, I want to make sure that everything's captured and they're safe. Look at what's happening from that engine. That is just something else.
Can I put this on Instagram?
Well, he's out safely. That's good.
Yeah, everybody else.
Oh, watch out, watch out, watch out! Oh my God. Woo!
Oh my God, I'm so glad I didn't get
Do you understand that? If you're not going to speed limit, get off the road. Fucking dick. Motherfucker. Fucking bikers, get the fuck out of here. Get off the road. If you're going under the speed limit, off the fucking road. God damn it. Fucking goddamn bikers. You know what? Steel does not stop for fucking flesh. I got it on my video camera. I'm reporting.
Exact same things. It's more just like there are different philosophies behind it.
Okay.
DOs are a lot more hands-on with patients, which I kind of like.
Yeah.
And they focus more on fuck truck.
What are you doing, dude?
They focus more on the body as a whole. What is this idiot doing?
You got some good road rage going.
Oh shit! They just hit that. We need. What the fuck? Go and get the.
车行驶在快车道上，他前方的白色小轿车在慢车道上正常行驶，对方没有改变行驶方向，反而是雷某驾驶的皮卡车在行驶的过程中方向突然发生偏移，撞向了防护栏。在证据面前，雷某只好交代了实情。雷某说，当车辆行驶至事发地点时，他低头去捡拾掉落在座位下的手机，结果方向打偏，导致了事故发生。因担心处罚，所以没说实话。目前事故
building caught a pickup truck as it plowed through a grass parking lot right before it crashed into council chambers. Watch again. We put the video in slow motion. The crash happened just after 11 Wednesday morning. Officials told me the driver's foot was on the accelerator the whole time. Martin Summers said 3 minutes saved him. The driver in the pickup truck clipped a white car and pushed his truck into a tree before it hit the building.